Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the delivery box here. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plates here. And there's bottom case, and back plate, and right plate, left plate. And also here the top case assembly. And also there's a door. As well as you can see, here's the accessory box, including screws and a screwdriver. And also we have the mechanical key here, and also the foot. So now let's get started for assembly. And we first of all put the back plate with the bottom plate together and use this screw here. Before we screw it up, make sure the screw hole is accurate. Okay. Next, we're going to assemble the right plate. Also, the screw holes. Next is left. Stand up. So we're going to see the 3 plates. Assembly is really quick, so it may take a few minutes for assembly. 3 plates, right, left, and back. So next, we assemble the top case. We just put like this. Okay, once we assemble the top case with the 3 plates, the last step is to install the door right here. So when we install the door, we have to put this into the hole right here and upside, put it in loose like this. And also, to make sure the door is not shaking, we use this to hold it and screw up all the screws on the top. Okay, once we fix the screws, then we're going to plug this power cable here to connect the load set with the battery set. Then we need to put in the batteries on the top. We have 4 pieces lead battery, which means rechargeable. So 2 for the operation and another 2 for the UVC light. Okay. And try the box. So now we have everything assembled and all batteries installed. So now we try to unlock this with the pin code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unlock. Yes. Unlock. And also we can use the mechanical key here to unlock the delivery box. And plug in the keys. And twist. Box unlocked. And locked. Yeah, this is the whole thing to let you know how to assemble and do some basic operating. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please visit our website. Thank you.